Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. Let's learn how to get the file creation and the modification date using Python. So let's get started. What I've done is I've first thing imported the required libraries for this code. So the first thing is the os.path library and the time library. And then I've created a variable that stores the name of the file, that is myfile.txt. And remember, the file that you want to find the information about as well as the Python file should be in the same working directory. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two print statements. And in this, first thing I'm going to write the modified date. I'm going to just write one simple string. And now I'm going to use the os.path function, os.path, and then I'm going to use the getMtime. And within that, I'm obviously going to place in the file name as an argument. And if I run this, as you can see, I'm getting the modified date as a weird timing, which I really can't understand. So now I'm going to make use of the time function, and I'm going to use another function called as ctime, which allows us to obtain the time in more readable fashion. So as you can see, we get the modified date as Thursday, June 23rd, as well as the given time when it was modified. Now I'm simply going to copy this line of code and paste it bottom, and I'm going to change the text from modified to created. And instead of using the getMtime function, I'm going to use the getCtime, which means the getCreatedTime function, and everything is going to be pretty much the same. So now I got information about the file such as the modified date as well as the created date. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.